Be strong, fear not. Behold, your God will come with vengeance. With the recompense of God, He will come and save you. This verse is written sa Book of Isaiah, chapter 35, verse 4. Mga kapatid, sa kalagitnaan ng pinakamatinding trials na meron ka ngayon at mababasa mo to at maririnig mo ang verse na ito, napaka-sweet, di ba? Because this verse is a word of encouragement and hope. Kaya huwag kang manlupaypay, tumayo ka at magpakatibay. Marami man nakasakit sa'yo, do not seek with your own revenge. Ang own revenge kasi, nagkikreate siya ng harm, instead na kapayapaan ang iyong nararamdaman. Hayaan mo yun, Lord, na magtanggol sa'yo. Hindi ka niya pababayaan. Just allow the good works of His hands sa ating mga buhay. He will save you, kapatid. Stay in His court no matter what happen, because the ultimate justice and hope will come from Him to you.